officer, bro.
Yeah, man, you mean a custody, right?
Yeah, alright, I'm okay.
Welcome again, viewers and subscribers. You don't know a trendy dancer, back at it. But before we jump into the whole segment, me I just ask you for like, subscribe, and share. When you don't know the thing, go mad.
Fuck you, mocha. Man, I stop dying loud when the phone at me late on the line every day. I'll one chop.
So, what you know, people? Dancehall artist known as Gold God. Here's me. We all know him of doing all them chop songs and scam songs and mostly them type of music. You see me? Yeah. But end of the day, we know the vibes. You see me? How about the artist? Gold God, him name. You see me? So, I came across a video on Instagram with him and a police basically. You see me? So, it look like he might get arrested by the police. You see me? I don't know how true it is. Yet still, I don't want to share no false news or none of that. But I think the video was released on his page. You see me? And I'm showing you the full video what take place soon. So you can tell me what you think. And I want you to tell me what you think. Comment down below and just tell me what you think and what you think. Because every opinion counts. You see me? So check out the video and tell me what you think.
Yeah, man, you mean a custody, right?
Yeah, alright, I'm okay.
Yeah, man.
No, Joe.
Sir, stand up here and wait, wait.
Alright.
Have a liar?
Yeah, the liar, no, man.
Alright then. Soon as possible, I want your life to come inside, here?
Yes, sir, no problem.
Alright, you can sit now, you can sit.
Officer, you have to pick up yourself today. You know, so now violate.
Brother, let's talk in, alright?
Remember, only my bad man, police friend, I have to, you know.
Hear me, I said, let's talk in, let's talk in. Alright, thank you very much, sir. Alright. This brother here is right here, so I'm only with a lot of things. And I'm going to give you a code for them. You hear? Who know him?
So I'm just share the video with Donoga, you see me? And so far, what do you think? You see me? But if you ever ask me, well, that's the reason why I'm forward out to come do that video here today, you see me? If you can explain what go on and put things together. And you know how I understand with Jamaicans, them not really like take certain things serious, you see me? And that gonna be one of our biggest problems and downfall in our life, you see me? Now say in other situation, yeah, more this will be true or not, but certain things you have to look on a different perspective, you see me? Guess what? I don't know if it's real. It can be, it cannot be, but hopefully not. You see me, people? So me I go show on our next point of view in a second, you see me, and you tell me if you know, you see me? Alright, so the point where me want to make now, you see me, and look you know, you see the face expression of the police and the way everything are going, you can see say yo, him not a real police, you see me. So the face expression are the first thing we give it. And the way him carry himself, even though that not signify 100% say that are the reason, but you can hear the talking in the background and the laughing and all of that. And you see from here that you see say that make it easier to figure out say this not really that serious, you see me. So there you have it. You see me. Yeah man, people, so respect viewers and subscribers to watch it down to this far, you see me. So far in the last end, you see me. Respect for that. Yeah. So the chop chalalap God now get locked up. You know the thing go. Yeah. Yeah. So more each and everyone where I watch this right now, I want to leave a like. You see me, blow up the like. Leave a one comment, subscribe, share the video to anyone in your friend them. No problem, you see me. The trendy dancehall right as right now, you see me. I want to help grow the channel, you see me. Oh dear man, I'm doing man. But